What's up, y'all? These are all the products that I'll be needing when I do my DIY. Right here, I'm just starting out with my first canvas and I'm just putting it on, making 3D shapes, and I'm just going with the flow, not really knowing what I'm going to come out with, but this is the first canvas. Here's my second canvas. So I'm going to pretty much do the same thing, but go like in the opposite direction. All right, y'all, so it's been about 2 hours, and as you can see, it's turning white, but it's not quite dry yet. So these are my canvases after 2 hours of drying. And I got the spackling that when it is completely dry, it will be completely white. And as you can see, it's still some pink on it. So this is 2 hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them dry overnight. And tomorrow I will start back on the rest of them. I'll see y'all later. So this is the next day after all my canvases have dried. I'm gonna get a little closer so y'all can see the detail. They came out so cute. And so now I'm gonna put some paint on them, the colors of the rooms that I'm putting the paintings in. And then I will come back and show you guys what they look like. They came out so good. Alright, y'all, so this is how they came out. I really like this one. I love the colors together. And here are the other two. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it has some silver in the purple paintings. This is my favorite one, and then the other two are okay. And then the fourth one I did, I really didn't like it, so I'm not showing y'all. I'll be doing more because I think I know what I did wrong. So I'll have to go back to the store and get more canvases and more spackling. And then I'll come back and do a second video. And kind of do it different next time. But this is the one I like. It's going to go in my downstairs guest bathroom. And I'll show y'all the whole bathroom when I'm done. And these are going to go in my master bathroom. So yeah, this is the finished product. And they came out okay. I think they were cuter without all the painting. So I will use less paint next time. And I will see you guys later.